We are doing a quick hub sound check. Then I have Sirium's 2005s. Now I have some specialized hubs. So guys, we have an unbranded hub here. I'm not sure, I couldn't find any branding, no model, there is no serial number, but let's see how that sounds. So we go. Guys, next we have specialized Roval wheel set, but it says it's powered by DT Swiss. Okay guys, then now we have Bontrager, which is Trek Mustang Elite. Let's see how this one sounds. So the last but not the least, we have Stance no tubes, Stance 3.30.